I am at 1345 West 67th Street in the Detroit Shoreway neighborhood, Cleveland, Ohio. And we got some new houses over there. Up here is Gordon Square Arts District. So that big building there is a theater. There's 3 theaters there. It's a movie theater, a couple of acting theaters. Let's head inside. This is a 2-family. We've got 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. Nice big living room. We got big open spaces, bamboo flooring. So this tenant's got her table kind of pulled over to the side, but you could easily pull that out and have a nice big dining area. Nice big kitchen. Just lots of open space here. Good sized bedrooms, closet space. Got some newer flooring in here. Updated windows, drywall, updated electric. Let's take a spin down to the basement real quick. Basement, not real tall, but we got some new PVC stacks here. You can see PVC pipes. So the down tenant has washer and dryer down here. The up tenant has their own. Again, we got some stack replacement. Both hot water tanks are down here. Furnace for down here is down here. There's this here. This is a little bit of dampness. It's rained. It's a little damp. I wouldn't call it standing water, but it is definitely dampness. So this does have a driveway and a garage. We're gonna head out to the back. We got another closet here. And we're gonna head to the upstairs unit. So, you can see the garage back there. Okay, heading up. Very similar update, so it's gonna look a lot like downstairs. Now this is kind of set up as like a little office back here, which is nice. Again, we got vinyl windows. Got a nice deck here. Get a good vantage point for the neighborhood, and down there's the lake. Vinyl sided. Got some really nice, clean tenants here. Very nice people. So this would be great for investor or owner occupant. The downstairs tenant is month to month. Upstairs is in a lease. And that's all I got.